Let's take a look at the turbine. This is the opening of the turbine. It's completely new. Okay. Here we go. Wow, nice and easy. Very beautiful. Has a small dent here. Strange. Okay, I didn't check that when I opened it, because I never took it out of the bag. Okay, so as I mentioned, you see the end of the hot end is going to be here, 1 inch from here. So we have, this is the position. I'm a little bit concerned about the space. Why? Because of these screws. It's because of this. This one is hitting here the wall. You see, it's not exactly center, or more or less center, right? Okay, that's the idea. Now 4 screws here and there. Okay, I measure this distance here, and this distance here is the same. So now we are adding the screws. I'm surprised how soft is the wood in the support. But okay, I assume this has been tested before. See, I don't need to make a pilot hole, anything, just with the with this one I just push this plate a little bit back, and that's it, right? Because this one, no problem. Okay, it looks good. I'm still surprised about this dent. I didn't notice before. Okay, now few line from the pump, from the valve, and that's it. Probably put the filter in between. Okay, now how are we going to pass through this very coiled tubing, through all this stuff, right? I think the best way is to use this one again. Let's see if I can find the right groove. Okay, here you go. See? And now get this thing inside. Put as much of the tube inside. I use this one as a guide. Right. Okay, keep on going until it stacks, and then okay, here we go. Here is the piping, and it seems I need to cut only a little bit here. I'll first install in the turbine side. Need to pull the festo secure, push back, and be careful here. is this thing. Now you just plug in this one. Just push it in and test secure. Okay, now try to find a nice position for this one and coming to the valve. So more or less we need this distance. This is a really nice cutter to cut all these tubings. Recommended for you to have one of these. Just always give a little bit of margin, and that's it. Now we just take this one and push it inside the valve. Okay. One thing I forgot is to install the filter, but I will remove this one, split here. Actually, we're going to split here and install the filter in between. So the filter will be here. Okay. This is the wire from the turbine. Just check the position, and that's it. This is the ECU of this turbine. Is I mean, all the computer data is inside and is transmitted to this graphic interface. I call GSU, something like that. Yeah? Okay, that's it. And now I need to install the receiver, finish installing the wings, and test the CG. Thanks for watching.